It might be that you have some bruises, chips and scratches on the vial surfaces, but you don't know exactly where in the procedure this happens, and that's why we decided to go with SmartSkin for a process analysis with their sensor-based drones. One of the major benefits of the SmartSkin drones is that they monitor several different parameters in parallel. I'm talking about shock, pressure, rotation, etc.
Smart, easy to use, and we can use it very quickly on our processes without a big change.
We generate data so powerful in this easy manner, we could really nicely improve the reject rates, but we were also able to use the drone one step before, so when we buy new equipment with the qualification efforts, that's why also this was a perfect fit for us.
It's a very user-friendly application, and the collaboration with SmartSkin is also fantastic. They're very flexible, very reactive. Try it and you will adopt it.
SCHOTT. Glass made of ideas.